All right, guys, time for our last break of Hit Parade basketball. This is the Fast Break edition. So this is the last box that we've got from a case. There are 15 hits per box. You got a mix of relics and autos, and our last chance to pull one of those case hits. So you've got Jordan cards in here. You've got LeBron. You've got Steph Curry. There's autos. So this product really is make or break on these case hits. So hopefully on this last one we can pull a case hit out of here. Alright, so here is the rundown of the team. So Abraham, you've got the Timberwolves, the Pelicans, the Thunder, the Magic, the Sixers, the Kings, the Spurs, and the Raptors. Ashok, what's up, man? You've got the Golden State Warriors. Benjamin G with the Wizards. Cody's got the Pacers. Donnie with the Celtics. Henry V's got the Nets, the Hornets, the Bulls, the Cavs, the Mavericks, the Nuggets, and the Heat. Isaac with the Grizzlies. Jesse with the Hawks. John H. with the Pistons. Case has got the Lakers, Trailblazers, and Jazz. Matt F. with the Suns. Peter with the Knicks. Raymond with the Bucks. And then Todd S. has got the LA Clippers. Alright, so here we go. Good luck. You gotta be kidding me. I don't think we pulled... almost positive we didn't pull a case set out of there. Maybe the last time we do these products, unless we can pull something out of here. Alright, so we've got, I think that's Sharif Abdur-Rahim. So that will be, it's the Atlanta Hawks. A little relic piece. Next up, we got a Richard Jefferson relic for the Nets. Next, we got Tyson Chandler relic for the Chicago Bulls. Got Sweet Shot jersey for Ron Mercer, another one for the Bulls. We got Tony Allen for the Celtics, another relic. We got an Elton Brand relic for the Clippers. Let's see any numbering on any of these relics. Another Bull, this time, well, another Ron Mercer. Bulls are loading up on Mercer auto or relics. I don't know if that's good or bad. All right, last relic. It's going to be another Hawk from the same product as Abdur-Rahim, but this time it is a DeMar Johnson. All right, and then the autos. So we got Antoine Wright. On-card auto for the Nets, Ultimate Rookie, number to 250. Next auto, we've got Demetrius Nichols. Sweet Beginning signature for the Knicks. Never heard of that guy in my life. All right, we got a Chris Taft, Golden State Warriors Ultimate Rookie Auto to 250. Man, they're scraping the bottom of the barrel. Clearing out some inventory. Well, there's got to be something good in here. We got Larry Hughes, at least I heard of him. Relic Auto from Upper Deck Premier, number to 50. And an on-card auto too. So that's going to the Cavs. All right, another Upper Deck Premier. This time Javaris Crittenton. Another one number to 50. This time for the Lakers. This is like the who's who of NBA end of benches. All right, last one. And it's going to be a Herbert Hill. What the crap? Philadelphia 76ers signature threads number to 799. Another guy that never played, probably. All right, and that might have been, there have been some crappy boxes in this series, no doubt. That might have been the worst. So not really anything even to remotely brag about. But we'll get those cards in the mail to you guys tomorrow, and that'll be the last time we do the Fast Break basketball. So appreciate you guys jumping in. Sorry we weren't able to pull one of those big case hits. So appreciate you guys jumping in.